Welcome to MuscleMania. Get ready to rev your engines because we are diving into the 10 fastest Ford cars in company history. Number 10. 1987 Ford Sierra RS 500 Cosworth. Let's start with the beast from 1987. The 1987 Ford Sierra RS 500 Cosworth stands as a true icon in the world of performance cars, representing the perfect blend of engineering excellence and racing heritage. This model was created as a homologation special, meaning it was built to meet specific racing regulations, allowing it to compete effectively in Group A racing. With the cancellation of the more powerful Group B class, the RS 500 emerged as a dominant force on both racetracks and rally stages, showcasing Ford's commitment to performance. Under the hood, the RS 500 features a turbocharged and intercooled 2-liter inline-4 engine. This powerful engine produces an impressive 201 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 204 pound-feet of torque at 4,500 RPM, making it a thrill to drive. The car's performance is further enhanced by a 5-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, allowing for precise handling and an exhilarating driving experience. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.4 seconds, while the quarter-mile time of 14.2 seconds at 98 miles per hour highlights its impressive speed. One of the standout features of the RS 500 is its styling. Hand-built by Aston Martin, the car includes a larger turbocharger and various aerodynamic enhancements that not only improve performance but also give it a striking appearance. The unique design elements, combined with its racing pedigree, made the RS 500 a poster child for fast 4-cylinder cars globally. Today, the 1987 Ford Sierra RS 500 Cosworth is celebrated by car enthusiasts and collectors alike, with its limited production numbers and rich racing history making it a highly sought-after model. Owning one of these cars is like holding a piece of automotive history, symbolizing the golden era of motorsport and performance engineering. Number 9. 1973 Ford Falcon XB GT. The 1973 Ford Falcon XB GT is an iconic Australian muscle car that has left an indelible mark on automotive history, known for its impressive performance and striking design. This car combines power with a distinctive style that enthusiasts adore. At its core, the XB GT is powered by a 5.8-liter V8 engine, generating 300 horsepower and a torque of approximately 369 pounds-feet. This robust engine allows the Falcon to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 6.5 seconds, showcasing its impressive speed and agility. With a top speed of approximately 130 miles per hour, it competes fiercely with other muscle cars of its era, proving that it's not just about looks, it's built for performance. The design of the Falcon XB GT is equally noteworthy. Its long hood, wide stance, and aggressive lines give it a muscular presence on the road. The car was available in various bold colors, enhancing its eye-catching appearance. Inside, the cabin offers a sporty experience, featuring comfortable bucket seats and a driver-centric dashboard packed with classic gauges. The layout is designed to keep the driver engaged, making it not just a car but an extension of the driver's passion for performance. Performance-wise, the Falcon XB GT is engineered for a thrilling ride. Its advanced suspension system provides stability during sharp turns, while the braking system ensures safety and responsiveness when needed. With a weight of about 3,395 pounds, it balances strength and agility, making it a versatile vehicle for both everyday driving and spirited outings on winding roads. Number 8. 2000 Ford Mustang SVT Cobra R. At number 8, we have the 2000 Ford Mustang SVT Cobra R. This one is a thrilling testament to American muscle, designed for true performance enthusiasts. With only 300 units produced, this limited edition model features a powerful 5.4-liter DOHC V8 engine, delivering 385 horsepower and an equal amount of torque. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.7 seconds and can reach a top speed of 170 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest Mustangs ever. Equipped with a 6-speed manual Tremec T56 transmission, the Cobra R is built for speed and precision. Its Brembo brakes and advanced suspension, featuring IBAC springs and Bilstein shocks, ensure exceptional handling and stopping power. Weighing in at around 3,600 pounds, every detail, from its 18-inch alloy wheels to the charcoal cloth Recaro bucket seats, was meticulously crafted to enhance performance. Designed for the track, the Cobra omits unnecessary features like a radio and air conditioning, further reducing weight for improved speed. Its eye-catching performance red exterior captures attention and reflects its racing pedigree. The 2000 SVT Cobra R is not just a car. It's a racing machine that embodies the spirit of the Mustang legacy. Number 7. 2019 Ford Mustang GT 500. The 2019 Ford Mustang GT 500 is the pinnacle of Ford's engineering prowess, bringing back a legendary name that first roared to life under Carroll Shelby in 1967. With a supercharged 5.2-liter DOHC V8 engine pumping out an impressive 760 horsepower at 7,300 RPM and a hefty 625 pound-feet of torque at 5,000 RPM, this beast can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. The GT 500 features a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, making it a formidable contender on both the road and the racetrack. It can complete the quarter mile in a blistering 11.3 seconds at 132 miles per hour, with a top speed that reaches a manufacturer-claimed 180 miles per hour. Designed for maximum speed, the GT 500 is equipped with aerodynamic enhancements and a factory handling package, allowing it to challenge even the most expensive sports cars. Magnetic dampers, high-performance brakes, and specialized tires contribute to its impressive handling, making it a true testament to Ford's commitment to performance. The GT 500 isn't just a car. It's a statement that embodies the spirit of American muscle. Can you guess what's coming next? Number 6. 1967 Ford Fairlane 427. The 1967 Ford Fairlane 427 is a remarkable classic muscle car that encapsulates the raw power and stylish flair of its era. This iconic vehicle is powered by a robust 427 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering a jaw-dropping horsepower of 425 and a torque rating of around 480 pound-feet. This powerful engine allowed the Fairlane to achieve an impressive 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 6.5 seconds, a remarkable feat for its time, showcasing its performance capabilities on both the street and the racetrack. Beyond its muscular performance, the Fairlane 427 boasts an attractive design that combines sporty aesthetics with functional engineering. The car's exterior features a bold, aggressive stance highlighted by a long hood and short rear deck, giving it a classic muscle car silhouette. The distinctive grille and chrome accents enhance its commanding presence, while the available racing stripes add a touch of flair that appeals to enthusiasts. Inside, the 1967 Fairlane is equally captivating. The cabin is designed with comfort and style in mind, featuring bucket seats upholstered in high-quality vinyl or optional cloth, which provide both support and a nostalgic feel. The dashboard is straightforward yet elegant, with easy-to-read gauges and chrome accents that reflect the car's sporty nature. Optional features included air conditioning, an AM radio, and an array of trim options that allowed buyers to customize their ride to their liking. Number 5. 1967 Ford GT40 Mk4. Okay, so many of you haven't heard about this infamous beast. The 1967 Ford GT40 Mk4 is a legendary race car that symbolizes Ford's dominance in motorsports during the 1960s. Designed primarily for racing, this stunning machine was built to conquer the famous Le Mans 24-hour race, where it left a significant mark by winning the event. The heart of the GT40 Mk4 is its powerful 7-liter or 427 cubic inch V8 engine, which produces a jaw-dropping 485 horsepower. This engine allowed the car to achieve incredible speeds, making it one of the fastest cars of its time. What makes the GT40 Mk4 particularly special is its aerodynamic design, which was crucial for high-speed racing. The car features a sleek, low profile, and a distinctive body that not only enhances its performance, but also makes it visually striking. The lightweight construction, combined with a well-tuned suspension system, enabled it to handle corners with exceptional agility, allowing drivers to push the limits on the racetrack. With a top speed of around 200 miles per hour, the GT40 Mk4 could sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4 seconds, showcasing its impressive acceleration capabilities. It was equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and utilized a rear-wheel drive layout, providing optimal power delivery to the wheels. During its racing career, the GT40 Mk4 achieved remarkable success, including an overall victory at Le Mans in 1967, where it famously secured a first, second, and third finish for Ford. Its legacy is celebrated not only for its racing accomplishments, but also for its innovative engineering and design, which paved the way for future high-performance vehicles. Number 4. 2015 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350. At number 4, we have the 2015 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350. This car is a modern-day legend, reviving the spirit of the original Shelby Mustang while incorporating cutting-edge technology and design. This beast is powered by a 5.2-liter V8 engine, which is unique for its flat-plane crankshaft design, allowing it to deliver a staggering 526 horsepower and 429 pound-feet of torque. This setup enables the GT350 to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds, showcasing its performance pedigree right from the start. The 2015 GT350 stands out with its remarkable handling capabilities, thanks to its MagneRide dampers and a finely tuned suspension system. These features enhance its stability during high-speed cornering and provide a thrilling driving experience. The car is equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission, ensuring that drivers have full control over their gear shifts, making each drive an engaging affair. Not only does the GT350 boast impressive performance specs, but it also features aggressive styling that turns heads wherever it goes. Number 3. 2010 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. The 2010 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is a powerful tribute to the legendary Carroll Shelby, representing a thrilling blend of modern technology and classic American muscle. This model falls in the middle of the 5th generation of the Mustang and features a notable facelift that brought enhanced aesthetics and improved performance. Under the hood, the GT500 boasts a 5.4-liter supercharged V8 engine that churns out an impressive 540 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. With a 6-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, this Mustang delivers an exhilarating driving experience. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds, showcasing its speed and agility. The GT500's top speed reaches an impressive 190 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest production Mustangs of its time. The 2010 GT500 comes equipped with a revised suspension system that enhances its cornering capabilities, allowing for a more controlled and engaging drive. Despite its high performance, one downside is the fuel consumption, which can be quite hefty, making it an expensive vehicle to run for daily use. Additionally, practical storage space is limited, so it may not be the most suitable option for those needing an everyday driver. Overall, the 2010 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is a standout model that effectively honors the legacy of Carroll Shelby while paving the way for the Mustang's successful evolution over the next decade. Number 2. 2019 Ford GT. The 2019 Ford GT is a remarkable evolution of the legendary GT lineage, honoring its predecessors while showcasing advanced engineering and design. This second-generation GT takes its performance seriously, powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that pushes out an impressive 647 horsepower and 550 pound-feet of torque. This potent combination allows the GT to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars on the road today. What sets the 2019 GT apart is its use of Ford's EcoBoost technology, which emphasizes efficiency without sacrificing power. Unlike the original GT that relied on V8 engine, this new iteration showcases Ford's commitment to innovation and performance. With a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, it delivers seamless gear shifts, enhancing the driving experience whether you're on the racetrack or cruising down the highway. In terms of speed, the GT can reach a jaw-dropping top speed of 216 miles per hour, making it competitive with some of the world's most prestigious supercars, including Lamborghini and Ferrari. It even has roots in racing, achieving class victory at the Le Mans 24 Hours race, echoing the success of the original GT in the 1960s. The design of the 2019 Ford GT is as striking as its performance. With its aerodynamic silhouette, active aerodynamics, and functional air intakes, every aspect is crafted for speed and efficiency. Inside, the cabin offers a driver-focused layout, ensuring that the experience is just as exhilarating behind the wheel as it is in terms of raw power. Number 1. 2013 Ford Shelby Mustang GT 500 Super Snake. Next up, we have the 2013 Ford Shelby Mustang GT 500 Super Snake, a true powerhouse that epitomizes Ford's legendary muscle car heritage. With its roaring engine and aggressive design, this beast commands attention on and off the track. At the heart of the Super Snake lies a supercharged 5.8-liter V8 engine that delivers a staggering 662 horsepower straight from the factory. But for those seeking even more adrenaline, Shelby offers an optional performance package that boosts power to a jaw-dropping 850 horsepower. This is achieved through a massive 3.6-liter supercharger, ensuring that the GT500 is not just fast, but a true force to be reckoned with on the road. Acceleration is impressive, with the Super Snake capable of going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. For those interested in straight-line speed, the quarter-mile is conquered in approximately 11.9 seconds, with a top speed that can reach 216 miles per hour. This makes the Super Snake one of the most powerful and fastest Mustangs ever produced. Beyond the engine, Shelby has made several upgrades to enhance the driving experience. The Super Snake comes equipped with an improved cooling system, upgraded suspension, and a striking revised body design featuring signature Super Snake styling cues. For those wanting an even bolder look, there's an optional wide body kit that adds a more aggressive stance to the already muscular profile of the car. The 2013 GT 500 Super Snake not only honors the Mustang's legacy, but also sets a new standard for performance vehicles. It's a perfect blend of power, style, and innovation, making it a true halo car for Ford enthusiasts. With its ability to turn heads and dominate on the track, the Super Snake stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of American muscle. As we wrap up this thrilling ride through some incredible machines, we want to hear from you. If you could take any of these beasts for a spin, which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. If you loved exploring these incredible muscle cars with us, rev up that like button and subscribe for more thrilling automotive adventures. Join our community of car enthusiasts and never miss a ride.